Good evening class. Today's topic is the iterator. Iterator in Java is one of the most commonly used cursor in the Java collection framework. Iterator Java collection framework में एक most commonly used cursor होता है. It is used to traverse or iterate through the element of a collection one by one. यानी कि ये कलेक्शंस के एलिमेंट को ट्रेवर्स और आइट्रेट करता है वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट यूज टू ट्रेवर्स एलिमेंट इन द फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन ओनली. इट इज़ ट्रेवर्स द एलिमेंट इन फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन. ये सिर्फ एलिमेंट को ट्रेवर्स करता है फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में. सेकेंड रिमूव एलिमेंट सेफली यूजिंग ड्यूरिंग द ट्रेवर्सल यूजिंग रिमूव. ये रिमूव करता है एलिमेंट को सेफली during traversal using remove. Third, iterator is a universal cursor that applies to the most collection types such as the list, set and queue. Fourth, although map is a part of the Java collection framework, it is not a subtype of the collection interface. However, can still be used map through the key set, values or entry set. Object creation of an iterator. An iterator object is created by calling the iterator method on a collection object. Here we will use an iterator to traverse and print each element in an array list. Hierarchy of iterator. Iterator is a part of java.util package. Iterator part होता है java.util package and used by the collection class and used होता है collection class to traverse the element. Second, collection class implement the iterable. Collection class implement करता है iterable interface को which provide the iterator method that return an iterator object. Method of the iterator interface. The iterator interface defines the three methods as the list below. Has next, return true if the iteration has more elements. Second, next, return the next element in the iteration if it throws the not such element exception if no more element is present. Third, remove the last element returned by the next. This method can be called only once per call to next. Calling it more than once without calling next will throw the illegal state exception. Internal working. In this section we will try to understand how Java iterator and this method work internally. Let's take